नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। आरबीआई पॉलिसी और वीकली एक्सपायरी के चलते निफ्टी कल एक डोजी पैटर्न बनाया है। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट्स अपडेट पर। ऑन वेडनेसडे ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस experienced robust bullish momentum. The Dow surpassed the 45,000 mark for the first time, while the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 reached fresh all-time highs. Leading the charge, the tech-focused Nasdaq jumped 1.3%, followed by the Dow 0.7% and the S&P 500 0.6% rise. Considering the current chart structure, the S&P 500 is likely to continue its northward journey and test the level of 6140, followed by 6200 in the short term. On Wednesday, the Brent oil failed to sustain above the 50-day EMA level and thereafter witnessed a correction. It has ended at $72.39 level with a loss of 1.6%. Going ahead, any sustainable move below the level of $71 will lead to a sharp correction in Brent oil. In that case, it is likely to test the level of $69 in the short term. पिछले दो ट्रेडिंग सेशंस में the US dollar index has been consolidating within a narrow range of 106.72 to 106.09, forming a high wave-like candle on the daily chart, reflecting indecision at the current levels. Looking ahead, the 105.7 to 105.6 zone is likely to serve as an immediate support. On the upside, a sustained move above 106.8 could indicate a resumption of its upward trend. बात करते हैं निफ्टी के व्यू पर। ऑन वेडनेसडे द बेंचमार्क इंडेक्स निफ्टी ट्रेडेड विद इन अ 206 पॉइंट रेंज, फॉर्मिंग अ डोजी कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न रिफ्लेक्टिंग ट्रेडर indecisiveness ahead of the weekly expiry and the RBI monetary policy announcement. Despite this, the broader trend remains bullish, with the index trading above both its short and long-term moving averages. Additionally, the daily RSI is above 55 and trending upward, signaling continued positive momentum. Going ahead, the zone of 24,550 to 24,580 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the level of 24,580 will lead to a sharp upside rally up to the level of 24,750, followed by 24,900 in the short term. While on the downside, the support has shifted higher in the zone of 24,370 to 24,350 level. On the derivatives front, December futures closed flat while the combined open interest across the current, next and far series recorded a minor decline. अगर हम निफ्टी इंडेक्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स की बात करें, 4 स्टॉक्स में लॉन्ग बिल्डअप नजर आई, 18 स्टॉक्स में शॉर्ट कवरिंग रैली दिखाई दी, 19 स्टॉक्स में शॉर्ट बिल्डअप दिखाई दी और 9 स्टॉक में लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग नजर आई है। द 24,500 स्ट्राइक हैज सिग्निफिकेंट कॉल ओपन इंटरेस्ट, फॉलोड बाय द 24,600 स्ट्राइक. On the put side, the 24,400 has substantial open interest, followed by 24,300 strike. इस करंट वीकली सीरीज में OIPCR is at 1.11 and the max pain is at 24,400 strike, while for the December monthly series OIPCR is at 1.24. अब हम बात करेंगे बैंक निफ्टी के व्यू के बारे में। After the consolidation breakout, the banking benchmark index Bank Nifty has continued its northward journey. It ended the session at 53 to 266.90 level with a gain of over 1%. For the second straight session, the index has formed a sizable bullish candle reflecting strong bullish momentum. Most noteworthy, the daily RSI has surged above the 60 mark for the first time after September 27, 2024. Further, the daily MACD histogram suggests a pickup in the upside momentum. These technical factors are indicating strong bullish momentum in the index. Hence, we believe it is likely to test the level of 53,600 followed by 54,000 in the short term. अगर हम डाउनसाइड की बात करें The zone of 52,900 to 52,800 will act as an immediate support for the index. On the derivative front, December futures surged by nearly 1%, and the cumulative open interest of the current, next, and far series has also surged by 4.7%, which indicates an overall long build-up. The 53,500 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 54,000 strike. On the put side, 53,000 has substantial open interest, followed by 52,500 strike. For the December monthly series, OIPCR 1.15 पर है. अगर हम की मार्केट इंडिकेटर्स की बात करें, द वॉलेटिलिटी इंडेक्स इंडिया विक्स हैज बीन कंसोलिडेटिंग इन अ नैरो रेंज सिंस द लास्ट 3 ट्रेडिंग सेशंस. आगे चलते 15.7 टू 16 एक इमीडिएट हर्डल की तरह एक्ट करेगा इंडेक्स के लिए. अगर हम डाउनसाइड की बात करें, द 13.7 टू 13.5 जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक क्रूशियल सपोर्ट की तरह एक्ट करेगा. The advance decline ratio was largely tilted in the favor of advances. Now let's talk about the key sectors that are in focus. On Wednesday, Nifty PSU Bank gave a double bottom pattern breakout. In addition to this, it has formed a sizable bullish candle on a breakout day, which adds strength to the breakout. The momentum indicators and oscillators also support the overall bullish chart structure. Hence, we believe it is likely to continue its northward journey and test the level of 7,300, followed by 7,500 in the short term. अगर हम निफ्टी रियलिटी की बात करें, so Nifty Realty is also witnessing a strong bullish momentum. The daily RSI has surged above the 60 mark and it is in the rising mode. Hence, we believe it is likely to continue its upward momentum in the short term. Apart from this, Bank Nifty, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Consumer Durables, and Nifty IT are likely to continue their outperformance for the next couple of trading sessions. Now let's talk about the FII DII data. FIIs have bought to the tune of 1,797 crore, while the DIIs have sold to the tune of 900 crores. The FII's long-short ratio for index futures is at 38.14, as on a net basis, they have bought 14,824 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIIs have sold to the tune of 77,582 contracts, while on the options front, FIIs have bought 75,910 call contracts and have bought 42,983 put option contracts. That's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more market update and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.